Okay, today I will show you my homework 6.2 to you. It's about Omron PUC. Okay, so you can see the topic of this research is PUC control of piston with distribution and ejection plant experiment analyze. Okay, so you can see the content. The first part is experiment objectives. The second one is significance of the experiment. The third one is hardware connection and leader diagram explanation and implementation process. Then the conclusions. Okay, so experiment objective. The master advanced timer usage. Process 10-second timing control for distribution and ejection device using PUC timer, and master advanced CNT application contain 5 cycles of complex actions with PUC counter, and master complex LD logic. Write leader diagram logic for multi-device sequential control. This to the eject to the motor, and integrate PUC fully the same. Joint debugging to verify pneumatic hydraulic system logic in simulation, and understand comprehensive automation. Establish the link between soft logic and hard execution in industrial scenarios. Okay, so the second part, significance of the experiment, industrial application value, compliance distribution, ejection timing counting, and motor linkage, modeling core process in automated material handling lines, the core skill enhancement, advice from basic instructions to multi-cylinders coordination logic, bringing single action control to complex process management, and virtual real integration. Validate control logic while visualization dynamic pneumatic component coordination, boosting debugging efficiency, and logical thinking expansion. The intricate logic chain foster thinking for multitask, multi-device coordinate control in industrial automation, and the hardware connection. So you can see the list is we just need Omron PUC and fully same software. You can see the I/O address allocation, the start button, input start button, output distribution cylinder solenoid, and the ejection cylinder solenoid, and and motor contactor. Okay, so this is the LD logic explanation. The step 1 is system launch. The step 2 is distribution action. The step 3 is injection action. The step 4 is timer and reset 10 seconds. And step 5 to 7 is counter fives and motor start. Okay, you can see the timer and counter. The timer unit, 1 second equals 10 seconds. Start when ejection cylinder active, trigger reset, and plus counter after 10 seconds. So the counter increasement by 1 per timer plus representing 1 full cycle. at counter 5, counter close to start the motor. The LD explanation multi-cylinder coordination sequential control. The distribution cylinder is activated first when the system starts, initiating the cycle. And the interlock logic, the ejection cylinder actives only after the distribution cylinder completes its action. And synchronous resets. Both cylinder resets simultaneously after the 10-second timer completes, ensure readiness for the next cycle. Then the hardware and the simulation setup. The step 1 is hardware simulation setup. Connect the PUC button, distribution cylinder, ejection cylinder, and motor according to the writing rules. And open folded sim software to initialize the simulation environment and create a pneumatic hydraulic circuit model including a distribution cylinder, an ejection cylinder, and a motor. Bring simulation I/O to PUC address 100.00 is distribution, and 100.01 ejection, and 100.02 motor. Okay, so the step 2 PUC programming download, and the step 3 automatic control action flow is same to homework 6.1. The folded sim is same too. Okay, so the conclusion start the control logic start to the distribution to the ejection, and the 10 seconds timer resets, and the 5 cycle counting, then the motor start. The timer and the CNT counting are the keys to achieving sequential and link control. And the coordination, the sequential action of distribution and the ejection cylinder achieved through contact interlocking, amplified multi-actor coordination, and industrial value. This improvement perfectly replicate the standard industrial process of material distribution to the eject procession to the silic counting to the subsequent process start, make it highly valuable for engineering application. Okay, so
这个是因为我当时。对，主要说的是一个反应。
Okay, that's all for this research. Thank you for your listening.